Good morning, everyone. Here we are at Frank Jackson State Park. We're going to do a short drive through on the golf cart. We're heading towards the boat ramp. Let everybody get a look at it. So sit back and enjoy your tour of Frank Jackson State Park. There's several trails through the park. One of them is right over here, starts, and it comes down through the woods, panning a little fast. Across this road right here, you can see the entrance right there, and there's one. These are real easy paths. There's benches along the paths for you to sit and stop. Some of them have a couple bridges for you to cross. Roads are well maintained. Landscaping is kept up. We've spent 3 nights here. We stayed in the upper section of the campground. There's about, 6 sites up there? All the sites do fit larger RVs. One fifth wheel in our party is 43 foot, and we're 40 foot. And I'll post some pictures to show you those RVs set up in their sites. Here's the playground area. There's a parking spot and a little bathroom right over here. We got a playground back there. There's an area down here where you can picnic or let the kids get out and swim. Watch them though because of the alligators. There are alligators. We haven't seen any up on the bank or in the playground or swimming area. There's a little island over here, a pedestrian wooden bridge to get over to the island. There's several trails through the island which make for really nice walks. You can definitely get out and stretch your legs. There's picnic tables out on the island and benches set up around in the island. You want to carry your little picnic over there. Here's the boat launch. There has been a lot of boating activity this weekend. It says the fishing is really good here. We didn't have any luck. Park hours open at 6 a.m., closes at 7 p.m. Brim, crappie, bass. Right up here are the little cabins. They have, I think, 3 or 4 little cabins that you could rent if you have family that wants to come visit you and you really don't want them in your RV. I know we all have those families. There's a nice parking area over here. If you're bringing your boat, you need to park to go fishing or just enjoy the day. Again, there's another little restroom area right here. And here are the little cabins. They look like little single wide trailers. set up. Okay, let's go on to the campground.